Only yellow. Yellow.
The yellow one.
The best one.
Oh, that's okay. Yellow. No.
Yeah, that's it, man.
Thank you.
Vale.
So you see the map.
Vale.
Now we take the red line. Take this one.
Okay.
Go to Padua.
Okay. Over the hotel is there.
After crossing Padua, because
All right.
hotel is
Yeah, that's right, the Crown Plaza. That's
no
right.
problem. Okay, it's a whole motorway.
Is it a nice hotel? Very nice.
Very nice. Yes, sir.
It's good.
I guess you after the movie.
No. Yeah, we do a movie. We're just making videos just for memories when we get back home, you know.
This is a nice big car, baby.
It's a nice car.
It's your car, sir, now.
Yeah,
From airport to hotel.
Yeah, it's a very nice car, I'm telling you.
But which year is it?
Which year model is this?
Mercedes class S long.
Which year? 2004, 2002?
32.
2002. 2002, babe. But it's still nice, eh?
You like it?
Where are you going?
Hey, it's lost.
You're welcome.
Ah, it's lost. Ah, look at how they drive, babe. They drive on the left. Hey.
More people were going in Italy to rent the car. I go to right, to left, so you are going.
If I were to drive, I was gonna drive on that way.
I see before you want to drive my car.
Yes, I wanted to come to the left. I'm thinking, this man is driving on the left. I'm like, I'm not the motor, baby. Drives nice, eh? And quiet. No, I told him already. No, for us, it's been a cash is serious. Right? Because there are those things that we can't even buy using a card. You know? Alive. I like the number plates here. They're nice, eh?
A number plate. What is a number plate? I don't mean
Where's Milan here?
Milan?
Yeah.
So, Milan, where is it?
Yeah, where is it?
No, little nervous. Milan, the city.
Yeah, the city is.
This far Padua, 250.
Oh, there.
Yeah, 2 hours. Padua, Milan, 2 hours.
Oh, 2 hours.
Yeah.
Italy is big, eh?
Big. Oh.
Yeah. This is all of Italy, eh?
No. This is Austria. Germany, Austria.
Oh, okay.
Svizzera. Zurich is Svizzera. Vaduz is Svizzera.
Yeah.
Munich is Austria. Deutsch.
Okay. I mean, I don't want sweet. Okay. And the roads are very nice, baby.
Yeah, the roads are nice.
They're very nice. Yeah. No, not ngeke abalunge eJoburg. Joburg, Johannesburg, they've got big roads. You know why? Overcrowded. But Johannesburg, it's if you were to come from town going to Pretoria, you take 2 hours.